Hello, Monicon fam. Welcome back to the third IBM session of Monicon. We are very excited to have all you here. I hope you are all are doing well. So we have with us Shiraz Iqbal, who is the CEO and co-founder of Monicon, and we have Mohammed Talal, who is a Web3 expert. So how are you guys doing?
I'm doing great, fantastic. Thank you so much, Romana, for having us for the third time.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Airman. It's very pleasant to have you guys again with us, and welcome everybody. And
Thank you.
So how are the things going in Monicon?
The things are going pretty fantastic for us. I mean, the start that, the response, the things that you receive from the community members, it was great and massive. And all I can say is thank you to the all community members to make the start, even the start of 2025 is so great for us. So, things are quite good for us. We are progressing in a very well manner with a very best pace for us. So I think that the things are pretty good for us. So yeah, and what do you want to say, Talal, about the 2025?
the 2025 has already started, and it's 1 month, and we are back with you guys. It's the second AMA of Thursday this year.
Third.
We are
Yeah, yeah,
first one was on the New Year, and the second was this. So it's going way pretty fantastic, and we are on a very great pace. So, and we are here for you with different surprises today again.
yeah.
Okay, so let's stay connected with the conversation. I want to ask the first thing, like, what are the things you guys have done in the first month of 2025?
Okay, so before going into the 2025, I want to give you a small recap of the last of the 2024, what we have done in the last December 2024. So we did some fantastic releases in December, and we can talk about that. We have magical festivities like Monicon Christmas airdrop that we have done, the referral program that we have done. In the last of 2024, we introduced the staking program to our audience. So that was, pretty fantastic, the last part of 2024. And even running down into the 2025, that was even more exciting for us. Why is that? We started 2025 by introducing the liquidity program for our audience. And that was to all the loyal Mooney holders that we have in our community. Though that program was introduced to them, especially for them. So that was introduced. And the second thing, I was quite curious, not just, I was curious about it. The community members, the people, our even team was quite curious about the first game, Mooney Flap. We released the Mooney Flap, and the response we got about it is quite massive, right?
It was actually very impressive. We just like the spinner wheel. So you guys loved it, and
Yeah.
absolutely, we love your response.
Yeah.
So
I mean that the response we got on the spin wheel, uh, it was really nice to see that how community engaged with the spin wheel and coming up with the next utility app, in front of the audience. They gave us the response we wanted. So yeah, the first game was a hit for us, and it's still running. It's been quite few days that we released this game, so it was pretty fantastic to have that in our ecosystem. The third thing is coming up, that is Smile to Token. So who can forget about, smiling and hurling rewards? That's Talal's favorite. So I think, he got some big teeth. So that's why so that part is also coming, the Smile to Token app. So that's what we have done in the Q1 of 2025, in the first month of Q1. So that's just the start, and I want to tell our community members that it's just a start. We are coming up with a lot more things. As I told you earlier, that we have already mentioned our roadmap in our website, so people can go on monicon.io and see our roadmap, that what things are coming up in 2025 for the first quarter. So yeah, it's all going great.
Oh yeah, that's really fascinating to know that these apps and utilities are doing great things in Monicon. So yeah, I have some questions for you, Shiraz.
Sure.
So, what other excited releases are coming in 2025?
Okay.
In Q1.
Okay. So talking about the excited releases, there are a couple of things that I want to mention here. we will talk about the different things. The first thing is the revamp platform. I want to announce one thing here in this AMA that we are coming with the whole new platform of Monicon. So the whole website is going to revamp. Talal even is, quite excited about that part.
Uh, and after the revamp platform, we are also, introducing another game, just like Mooniflap, and you guys are also going to love that again. And we are not going to, tell you any details about that. You have to wait for that. But you can, you are expecting another game, and there's another Moony Draw.
Yeah, Mooney Dog.
Yeah, Moony Draw is actually a type of lucky draw, but we have named it according to our, our platforms, Moony Draw. And after that, there are a couple of more.
Yeah, so the second game, and then Talal talked about the Mooney Draw. There's also the third game that is going to introduce in the Q1. So in the first month of Q1, we release Mooney Flap. Second game in the Feb. Third game in the March. So that we are not coming slow at all.
Back to back 2 games.
Yeah, back to back 3 games. Yes.
Can you guys give us a bit of idea of like about what is second and third game will be about?
I'm sorry. But we cannot spoil that part.
But before that, I think we have missed a module that we have to.
Oh, yes. One module that we have missed is the jackpot hunt.
Oh.
Yeah, so you are talking about the Q1 releases. We talked about the revamp platform. We talked about the second game, Mooney Draw, third game, and now Q1 will also, the community members will see the jackpot hunt in the Q1 as well. So that will be another thing where you people can earn unlimited money via the jackpot. The details will be shared on our social platforms on Discord and X channel.
Okay, that's wonderful to hear such that you guys have achieved so much. In
And I want to, sorry to cut you off here, I want to mention some of the things that the marks and statistics that we have achieved till now by different utilities and apps that we have provided to our audience. So we will talk about couple of things in it, the statistics that we want to share with our audience. The first thing is the spin rewards till now.
So the spin rewards we have is with a massive amount of Moonicorns till yet, and the spin reward we have almost reached like 1.2 million Moonies.
That is 1.5 million even.
Okay, it's
Yeah,
5.
yeah, it's 1.5 million money.
Sorry, my bad. And in the liquidity reward, we have almost around 230 K.
Yeah, it's 230K. Yeah.
Yeah. And
Talking about the third part is the staking rewards. That's not finished yet. We talked about the spin rewards. We talked about the liquidity rewards. The third part is the staking rewards. That is more than 348,000. So 348,000 money has been distributed in the staking program alone till now. And the fourth part, the very curiosic part, is the Mooney Flap rewards. So more than 10,000 rewards that has been distributed alone in the Mooney Flap. So I mean the quite comprehensive rewards that we have given to our community. And if we talk about the total number of rewards that we have given to community, that is 2.1 million. So 2.1 million money has been distributed to our community members. So again, it's all about the community, that how we can reward them better, how we can shape this whole ecosystem in a better place. So yeah, thank you so much to our community members for this as well. But again, 2.1 million, thank you so much for all the members.
you guys are doing pretty good, I must say.
Yeah.
So let's proceed to the questions. We have some questions from our community. So let's start.
Sure, sure.
So the first question we have, when Smile to Token will be coming?
Okay, so I think everybody is after the Smile to Token app.
so I think we should skip it to then.
Okay, yeah. So I think this can be answered in the later series of the AMA, because I'm thinking something in my mind regarding this. So we can answer it in the last part of this AMA.
Okay, let's jump to the second question. We have, and what about the upcoming airdrop planned?
Okay, the upcoming.
So I think they don't know about there's an airdrop already going on.
Yeah.
So you just have to follow us on the Twitter. Where when we are reaching that 100K, check 2000 KSP, 2000 followers on the Twitter. So we'll be releasing that airdrop pieces.
Yeah, that airdrop is already in progress. So just help us reach the 2000 mark, and once we will receive that, we are going to we are going to airdrop to the active members of our community who were active in the last 30 days. So
I have only 40 followers on that.
yeah, it's been around the mark of followers, that is around 1992, the last I have seen. So we are close to 2000 mark, and hopefully that we will do it hopefully today.
All right. So moving toward the next question, our community is really curious to know about the honor of the wallet. Started with like OFA to 23FT, ending with 4F 8B.
Okay, wait, so I mean, we are also curious to know who is that person. I mean, the whole system is decentralized, as we all know, and we cannot share any information regarding any wallet holder on the public platforms or anywhere else. So, but I mean, whoever he or she is, I mean, he is making the things quite shaky in the Monicon ecosystem. So we are, pretty curious to know even who he is or she is. So that's a question still remains.
That's not pretty huge me.
If you are, I'm going to kill you.
Okay, guys, let's move to the next one. In Unicorn Evolution post, I saw blue icon of Polygon and Solana.
Yeah.
What it was all about.
So you guys, guessed it right. So we are, well, that's the upcoming chain that we are going to, launch our coin on. So the Polygon and Solana, yes, we are coming to Polygon and Solana. So you just guys have to wait a little bit more.
But I want to say one thing here, that our community members' eyes are very sharp. I mean, we made that thing blurred in the image, so no one can know about it. But I mean, the community is quite sharp, and they even recognize these two icons of Polygon and Solana. So that, I mean, that is the news that we want to share in this AMA, that Moonicorn will go multi-chain. Yeah, so we will be going on the Polygon and Solana.
Okay.
So that's also I mean, this becomes a spoiler again. So yeah, so we are coming up on the multi-chain.
So I have a question for you, Talal. Any plan to other chain?
We have answered that already. Yes, we are coming to Solana and Polygon. Yeah. So just little wait.
So my next question is for you, Shiraz. When the lottery is coming up?
Okay, so when we talk about the lottery, one thing Talal mentioned in this AMA, that we are coming up with Mooney Draw. So Mooney Draw is the lottery. So basically, what we did, we renamed it and named it as we shaped this brand as our brand. So that's called Mooney Draw. So what people can, going to have in that, people will be able to buy the draw tickets, and then eventually the winners will be announced for that, where they can win ultimate Mooney rewards in it. So our lottery is, renamed as Mooney Draw.
All right. Okay, moving toward the next question, Talal. I would like you to answer. Any idea of next Mooney game?
Yes, we are having a game, I think in February.
Yeah.
Yeah, in February we are having another game launched. So it's also going to be a very, techy game.
Yeah.
So you just
And addictive also.
yes, it is. If it's not addictive, then it's not, it's not, it should not be on a platform.
So second game will be coming up in Feb.
So guys, what's coming in Feb 2025?
Okay, so talking about the Feb, like I told multiple things, Talal shared some of the things. So let me counter all those things again. The first part, we talked about the revamp of the whole platform. So I will talk again. I want to convey this to the community members that, stay tuned for that. The new platform, the new Monicon website is going to be hell of a fun. You guys will love it. So stay tuned for that. We are coming up with the second game in Feb. The third part is the chain part.
chain part, we are going to different chains.
Yeah, the first one will be the Polygon.
Yes,
That's
second
yeah,
one is just one.
yeah, and the fourth thing in Feb specifically, we are coming up with the Mooney draw as well. So four things for the Feb: revamp, second game, going on the Polygon, and the fourth thing is the Mooney draw. Yeah.
Alright. So our community member wanted to know any token burning event.
Yeah, I think Talal can answer this.
Yes, there will be a token burning event in future. We cannot expose you the dates exactly, the details, but you are expecting a event around that.
Yeah, even we received this question in the last AMA as well.
Yes.
The people are eager to know that, when a token burning event is going to happen. So, I think what we thought about that specific part is in the Q3. So, people can expect that we are going with the token burning event in the Q3 of 2025.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
very good. So someone asked about your plans of exchanging listing.
Yeah, so I think again this question we received in the last AMA as well. So I think two questions on the same time that we received in the last AMA and this as well. So talking about the exchange listings, we already listed ourselves on the Gecko terminal. We are in the process of we already submitted the request on CoinGecko as well. The next part will be the CMC part, and once we will do all these things, definitely we are going for the exchange listings as well. But that's not the like I last communicated this to the community members that we received so many requests from the good exchanges, and we are in process of evaluating all these things. But I think once we are done with these things, the CMC part,
That on the exchange.
yeah, the CMC part, the CoinGecko part, then we will eventually going on the exchange list.
Our community members are also excited to know like what is Mooney draw.
Okay, so I think that's I already conveyed Talal, what you can say about that.
It's just another name for the lucky draw. It's Mooney draw. So you guys are going to have the tickets for the lucky draw. So it's just our brand. So we have rebranded it as a Mooney draw.
The lottery shaped it into the Mooney draw, and eventually, like I told people that they can buy tickets, they can buy the draw tickets, and eventually the winners will be announced, and they can win huge prizes out of it.
All right. So what about the next airdrop?
Okay, so I think that's Dalal has already answered about it that the airdrop is in progress. Let me tell the community members again, the airdrop is in progress. We need to reach 2000 followers mark on our X handle, and eventually we are going to come up with the massive airdrop for all the active members in the last 30 days. So count yourself in the active one and do some happening on our platform. So you can be counted in as well.
All right.
Yeah.
Smile. I have a question. I think which I have previously asked you, and you said that you will answer it in the end of the session. So tell us about when Smile the token will be coming.
Okay, so the plan was like that we have given so many big surprises to the people in the last AMAs, and not a single AMA, went out without a big surprise. So I was thinking about something with for our community members that Smile to token, we told you about it's coming. So I'm announcing it. I just got the confirmation from the developers as well that Smile to token app will be launched today. Yeah.
You should be sent out.
So even Rumana has a great smile. I mean, you can earn massive rewards with your smile. Yeah. So get ready to Mooney right on it. Yeah. So get ready, people, with your big teeth. So you people can get so many rewards out of it. So stay tuned on our X handle and Discord. We are going to announce it today because I got the confirmation that we are going to launch it. Launch the Smile to Token app today.
You wait and smile.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shiraz and Taral, for your time, and thank you, Muricon community and family for your. We are very happy to have all you here. So hopefully the community member will enjoy the next releases as well. We are going to see you very soon in the next QA. So bye bye. Take care, guys. Have a good day.
Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.